Guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can customize best friend emojis on Snapchat. So make sure you are in the chat section of the application. Select the three dots on the top right corner of your screen. And then you are just going to select customize best friend emojis. Now, as you can see, these are the settings they have already for you, but you can change it. For instance, you want to change let's see, super BFF to another emoji, so select that and find the emoji you want. For instance, super BFFs, I am just going to choose let's say, trying to find the heart symbol. Oh, here it is. Let's say I want to choose this one. I'm just going to select the emoji, and then if I go back, it'll be set to that emoji. And you can change it for all of them, but for instance, you want to go back to the default emojis, you're just going to press reset to default and then press OK, and it'll go back to the emoji it was. So that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!